The motorized jack does not work. So I got to come up with a way to get that thing off the tow hitch. So I'm just going to video while I do my work, and if it becomes a long video, I apologize, but here I go. The Airstream Camper is a 1972, needs a lot of work, but let me get busy. Ouch. I've got this jack that I found in the camper. I'm going to see if I can use this. The ground is mushy because it's been wet, so I probably need to find something to put under it. I've got a couple of boards, a couple of stones, rocks in the back of my truck here. I'll get to see if I can use this, see if this will work. And if it will, then that'll be great. Yeah, might be a tight fit. Look at this. Big old concrete block. Well, so whenever I get this done, I want the camper to be a little more level than it is. So I think I'm going to put the one concrete block under there. Ow! That way this thing will come down. That thing will come down and rest on that, hopefully. Yeah, get that locked up. Yeah, I think that'll work. So I might need to, I don't know, I don't think I can get this jack up under there exactly right. So let me get some stuff out of the back of my truck here that I think will greatly help me to be able to get this thing off of my truck, my tow hitch. All right, so I'm not sure exactly how I'm going to make this work, but I'm going to make it work. My main goal is just to get it off the truck. I can level it up later. Got some wood pieces in the back of the truck. Maybe I'll be able to get that going. Okay, what I'm going to do is I'm going to use these wood pieces, and I'm going to see if I can lift that thing off of there. I don't know exactly how well it's going to work, but I'm going to try. Not exactly solid, is it? I think part of the problem is the truck wants to raise up as I do this. Alright, I think I know what I'm going to do here. This might help me. Yeah, see, the truck wants to raise up too at the same time. I wonder if I got that thing. Ooh. You don't ever want to put your fingers in there and get them squished, because they'll definitely get squished. Come on. Alright. Boy, I wish this little electric motor thing worked. That's definitely going to be one of my projects I need to work on. Get that going. Alright. So I'm going to see if I can somehow, that ain't going to work because things are in the way. I'm going to see if I can get something going here. Probably what I'll end up doing is just stopping the video and then show you the results when I get done, because it looks like this might take a while. Without all the proper equipment, it generally becomes a nuisance. And I'm going to put this thing in over here. See if I can raise it up from back here. More than likely it's just going to squish down into the ground. Well. Oh well. Come on, get off the truck. Yeah, I think I'm going to have to, I don't know. If I push on this, then I should be able to put that thing underneath it. But it doesn't go down exactly far enough for me to get it under there. Let me see what I can do. Just lift it up just a pinch. And then I'll see if I can reach over there. Okay. I have to use one of my legs. Push it under. Woohoo! Okay, that ain't gonna work. Alright. Using leverage can really do a lot for a person. Alright, see if I can just push down that. At the same time, go over there, put that thing under it. Okay. Hey. I got that thing under it. Let's see if I can crank that thing up. And of course there's always something in the way in there. That ain't gonna work. Okay. Well, the things people come up against. Alright, I'm gonna stop this video. If you have any suggestions, make a comment.